If your Stripe payout is delayed, it can be frustrating. Your money isn't showing up when expected. Yeah, this usually happens because of pending processing times, bank issues, or account verification holds. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix Stripe payout delays step by step. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and check the payout status. Look for pending, in review, or failed notices to understand the delay. Double check that your bank account number and routing information are correct. Even small errors can delay payouts. Your Stripe account must be fully verified to receive payouts. Submit any required documents like ID, proof of address, or business registration. Stripe may place a temporary hold for compliance, risk, or policy reasons. Check your dashboard for any alerts and resolve them. Stripe payouts can take a few business days depending on your country and bank. If there are no errors, sometimes waiting for the next processing window is all that's needed. If your payout is still delayed beyond the expected time, contact Stripe support. They can trace the payout and ensure your money arrives safely. And that's it. Following these steps usually resolves Stripe payout delays, so your funds reach your bank on time. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.